My father was a ship captain. I think that's what inspired me to get into the industry, to get into maritime law, and to follow in his footsteps and ensure that our industry is one that's transparent and fair for all. So my day-to-day mostly involves advising clients on the best legal course of action for any disputes that they have. I face a lot of different challenges in my work, from pay disputes when ships are delayed, to collisions, ship arrests, and facilitating corporate shipping as well as ship financing deals. So all this is investigative and analytical work, and I have to consider all the facts of every case to come to the best possible outcome. So it can be challenging, disputes can be complex, long drawn out affairs, but I realize that I've got to be empathetic and sensitive with how I advise my clients, because they're people too. So maritime is an ever-changing, exciting industry, and every day offers me a new case and a new challenge to overcome, which I'm always ready for. But more than that, to me, it's about the people I help with every day.